Hello? Hello?
Hello? Why don't you come up to Harpo's?
Hey, babe.
If you're gonna be nice and take your clothes off, why don't you come up to Harpo's?
How about you come down to this payphone?
No. So you get up here and fucking take your clothes.
Right now.
Take your clothes off.
I'm already closed off.
So you get up here and fucking take your clothes off for the fucking bachelorette party. Why don't you come up to Harpo's?
How about you come down here?
Where are you at?
Harpo's.
Where are you at?
At this payphone.
Why did you call Harpo's?
Because there's so many cops around. They said that I was kicked out.
Why do you keep calling a payphone on a Friday night at 1 o'clock in the morning?
I didn't call. You called back.
I'm assuming that you're drunk, which makes it even better.
What's that?
I'm assuming that you're drunk, which makes it even better.
Yep.
Why don't you come up to Harpo's?
How about you call my cell phone? We'll talk numbers.
Okay?
Really?
Okay, sweetheart. Fun.
What?
Fun.
Fine?
Yes.
Alright. You want it?
Yes. Yes.
Nice.
Yes. I'll talk to you later. You're fun. Talk to you later. Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Yeah.
What,
Yep.
faggot? Yeah, faggot, what do you want now? Who the hell are you talking to? Who the fuck is this?
Who is this?
John Kimball.
John Campbell?
John Kimball?
I like it.
Take the shit out of your mouth, motherfuckers. Grow some balls and come and knock on my door. I said, take the shit out of your mouth.
I can't understand what you're saying.
What the fuck? I can't understand the word you're saying. Take that shit out of your mouth. Hey, fuck you. Take the shit out of your mouth.
I'll get the shit out of my mouth.
Hey, take the shit out of your mouth. I can't understand the word you're fucking saying. You can quit calling me. That's what you can do for me. Every fucking incoming call I'm getting is being recorded by the phone company right now. Why do you keep calling me?
Hey, you're calling me.
I ain't calling nobody tonight. I got you and your fucking people. I already made a police report. So keep on calling. You're the
one calling
asshole keeps ringing my phone and I keep answering it.
Why are you calling me,
You got your number. I ain't call you.
And who the fuck are you calling then?
Phone company area, you got your number and your location. Fuck up and listen. I called the phone company. Any incoming calls to this number are being traced.
I already know.
My
I
phone's
heard your
ringing,
voice
you dumb son of a bitch. You're calling me. I ain't calling threatening nobody. There's some crazy broad calling me, threatening me.
What?
I don't even have long-distance dialing on my phone.
Hold on. What are you saying?
I'm telling you the truth. I ain't call you. I ain't call nobody, you dumb son of a bitch.
Wait, hold on.
I ain't called nobody tonight.
Wait, I don't know who the fuck you are. But I
John
fucking
Kimball.
love you.
I'm in North Carolina.
What?
I'm in North Carolina.
You're in North Carolina?
I don't even have long-distance dialing on my phone.
Dude, are you in a trailer park or what?
No. Fuck you, son of a bitch.
Oh, I love you too.
Be prepared to fucking go in a coffin. You're gonna die. Are you ready to die?
Sure.
They say you never hear a shot that kills you. You send the cop to my door with a badge and a gun and identified himself. What do you want, Sergeant Jagoff?
Dude, you gotta speak English, man.
Go on, yell some more. Check your dick a little harder. Why you come and knock on my door, you dumb son of a bitch?
Hey, if I knock on your door, what time you want to knock?
Go ahead on your fucking balls and come knock on my door. You want to talk shit to me.
Oh my god.
This is so weird. Well, you ain't got a hair on your ass. You gotta make your fucking calls through the phone, huh?
Well, hey, how'd you get my number, man?
I ain't call you. I ain't called threatening nobody. There's some crazy boy calling me, threatening me.
I never called you.
My phone's ringing, you dumb son of a bitch. You're calling me.
How many teeth do you have?
What?
How many teeth do you have?
What?
One?
Why?
One?
Come and knock on my door, motherfuckers. All right, come on over and try it.
Wait. Whose door are we knocking on?
They come over to my house and knock on my door, jag-off.
Dude, did you just call me a jack-off, or...
Why you come and knock on my door, you dumb son of a bitch?
Hey, you need to lay off that alcohol, man.
I do not drink.
You're drunk. Oh, skunk. Oh, that's a lot, bro. Hey, what are you shooting up?
I don't drink.
You don't, meth?
I don't drink. Son of a bitch.
I don't drink.
Kiss my ass, you fucking faggot motherfucker.
I will.
Dumb fucking redneck piece of
Get
shit.
weird.
Why do you stick a pickle up your big fat cunt, bitch?
Wait. Do you have a blow-up doll?
Why don't you go fuck your mother?
My mother?
Why don't you
Hey,
fucking suck my dick, you faggot motherfucker? Oh, you can't even fucking come, can you?
Really? Are you talking about cum again?
Son of a bitch.
Son of a bitch.
Piece of shit. Blow me, you fucking cocksucking queer.
Oh, I suck so much cock.
That feel good?
I mean, I don't know what else to say. I mean, I do. I'm gay. I'm so gay. I'm 100% gay. I mean, I put it in the ass. I'm a giver, by the way.
What are you fucking stupid?
You what?
Sugar Creek, Missouri.
What?
Sugar Creek, Missouri.
You shoot it in the ass?
No. Sugar Creek, Missouri.
Wait, what?
Sugar Creek, Missouri.
I can't understand what you're saying.
Why do you take the shit out of your mouth so I can understand you?
All I heard was, I've got one tooth. I'm yelling at some other guy that's gay.
I can't understand a word you're fucking saying.
I can't understand a word I'm saying either.
Why do you take the shit out of your mouth so I can understand you?
Because I'm strapping that thing on right now.
Negative.
Hey, you watch your mouth.
Fuck you.
No, fuck you.
Fuck you, gay. Fuck you in the ass.
I'm white. I'm white as day.
You know you love it.
Oh, I love it in the ass.
Your computer server is being traced right now, you son of a bitch.
Where do you live at?
Sugar Creek, Missouri.
What?
Sugar Creek, Missouri.
Oh, hot.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right, come on over and try it. I want you to come and die of lead poison in my fucking yard.
I was not in your yard. I did not take a dump in your yard. I did.
Hey, come and knock on my door. You know my name? You know Michelle? You know where I live.
Hold on. Let's talk numbers here. Who knocked on your door?
Who are you calling? You should quit calling me. That's what you should do for me.
Called you. I never fucking called you. But I will call you if you give me your number because you're fucking hilarious.
I haven't called anybody all night long. Somebody is using one of them conference line calls or using
Who's tracing my call? I never called you.
I ain't called nobody on my phone except 911 to report all these threatening phone calls I've been getting all that long.
Oh, that's hot.
Why don't you get me on a real phone and call me from some stupid fucking computer?
I think you need to get laid. That's what you need.
Yeah.
Dude, hey, you're fucking hilarious.
No.
You're the man of the hour.
Yeah.
Yo.
Hey, come and knock on my door, you dumb son of a bitch. You're gonna die of lead poisoning.
All right, hey, here, let's make a deal. Look, I'm gonna play Bob Barker right now. We're gonna make a deal.
Yeah.
I will stop knocking on your door if you stop calling me. I mean, I want you to call me. The thing is, I want you to call me because you're funny.
I ain't call you.
Who called? All right, that's funny because I answered your phone call and trace that, motherfucker.
My phone's ringing, you dumb son of a bitch. You're calling me.
Oh my God. Hey.
Yeah.
Do you know anything about eating gum?
No.
Oh.
No, you're a faggot.
You dumb. Wait, I'm a dumb son of a bitch. I know that.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm so dumb.
Yeah.
Dude, hey, you sound hot.
No.
Yes?
Why don't you kiss my fucking asshole? Why don't you fucking suck my dick, you faggot motherfucker?
Oh my God. That sounds delicious.
No.
Yes?
Negative.
Hey, how much to tongue jack your shit box? Or finger jack your stink box?
No.
How much, bro? How much?
Negative.
Nigger? I am no nigger.
Negative.
Wigger?
Yeah.
Hey.
What part of dying don't you understand?
What?
I'm worse than that, motherfuckers.
Oh my God.
Tell D I'm gonna beat the snot out of him next time.
Next time I knock on your door, shit's going down.
Then come over to my house and knock on my door, jag-off. I'm in North Sugar Creek, Missouri.
You will not miss my head because I got a bulletproof vest, bitch.
I'm in North Sugar Creek, Missouri.
I know, I knocked on your door like 100 times.
Why don't you come and knock on my door, you dumb son of a bitch?
Hey, how much did you drink tonight?
I do not drink.
And what do you do?
I don't drink.
You don't do anything?
I don't drink.
How much is the meth run where you live?
Negative.
It is. It's gotta be. It's recorded. It's like what's your fault? Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, wait. Say no.
No.
Hey, say kiss my asshole.
Why don't you kiss my fucking asshole? Stick your tongue up there, you piece of shit. Kiss my ass, you fucking faggot motherfucker.
Hey, can you play the cum guy?
No.
Please?
No.
Come on, the cum guy was so much funnier.
No.
Something about like, drink the cum.
You're gay. Dick fucker.
What?
Ass fuck.
Yeah.
And I think that you're all up fucking having a dick in your mouth right now because I can't understand you. That's probably why, 'cause you're choking on some nigger's dick right now.
How'd you know? Oh my god.
I'm guessing if you went to the doctor, you probably at least have 3 STDs because you seem like you'd fuck anything that would appreciate you.
What? I mean, I'm just gonna go with yes on that.
Listen, I am not 100% positive that you have HIV, but the chances of this are very significant.
Hey, you should probably go pump your stomach.
Look, asshole, I just made a police report. Alright?
Hey, we drinking cum yet?
Send a cop to my fucking door with the complaint.
Who is this guy?
John Kimball.
Yes, he's knocking on this guy's door.
John Kimball. I'm in Sugar Creek, Missouri.
Oh, I know all about the Sugar Creek, Missouri, trust me.
Yeah. Why you come and knock on my door, you dumb son of a bitch?
I'll stop knocking, I'm sorry.
Come and knock
Can I
on
ring
my
the door?
balls. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Hey, well, when are we going to start drinking cum?
I don't drink.